Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to add dynamic images in the email template. And in case you missed previous discussion about how to add custom variables in email template, please check, link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the WebLearns channel, and under this playlist you can see Odoo development label is there and different playlist available with different topics with the real test cases. And if you need any support related Odoo, you can visit the about page. Under the about page you can send your query to this email address. Source code also available in the GitHub, so make sure you can follow that repository. We have also different social media pages, make sure you can follow to get the latest notification. And yes, let's say if you want to support this channel using many ways, buy me coffee, PayPal, or using this join button. So let's back to our main topic, like how you can add dynamic images in the email template. So for that, like I'm going to here in this Odoo version 15 community edition, and here you already know, like we created a new module especially for this email template, and here you can see this email record is created, right? So here we are trying to add dynamic images. So here first thing is I will try to add images, let's say from the student itself. Let's say the student list, and here let's say this one we will try to add in the email template. All right, so for that you should first thing is you should know about what is the image field name, right? So let's go to here, and it is student_img, and here let's say I will try to add one more image. Let's say div class, let's say text center. I will try to add image field, right? src. Then after, let's say we will try to also add some css styles and alt. So this is the image tag name, and simple I will try to add this one here. So let's say height and width we will first try to define. Width, like let's say 65 pixel, height should be also 65 pixel, and let me also add one more image tag, object dash feet cover. Now here I will try to add a dynamic images, right? So here what we will do is image field can't be accessed directly from the receiver side, right? Why? Because it's display only that specific URL which is accessible by the Odoo users only, right? So what about non-Odoo users? So for that, like we will try to convert our images into base64, and we will send into email, and automatically the end user also can see those images. So for that we have to convert. So that time we can use here attf attribute. So let's say t-attf-src, and here we will try to add some dynamic data here. So here we will try to add, not here, but let's say here object dot student_img. so let me double confirm that field, student_img, this one, and before that one we will try to convert into the base64. So for that, like data image, or let's say png, and after dot -64. So this is our so data, then after let's say this image or the png, and here we have to use the comma, then after not semicolon, base 64 here, and we are trying to add here the comma and this one image name. All right, so that's it. It is also fine, you don't need to add any styles, but make sure you can also add style, right? Because some images are bigger, some images are shorter, so you can define a prefix width, right? Width and height. So that's the reason we can use here the style. That's it. And here I will try to upgrade this module. And let's say if I will try to upgrade this module, it will automatically change the XML, the record set itself. And if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check editor level playlist, I already explained. And now I will try to duplicate this tab. I will go to in the settings, technical, email and email template. Let me open this one, and you can see here the images display like this, right? Let me click to preview. All right, so you can see this images display, right? And now let's say if I will change the record set, it will display also this image, Sitaraman, then after student, Hariom, Jethalal, right, Ramu. So like this way you can add images here. All right, so this is the one, and another one is you can just upload the images in the cloud server, and that path, the cloud that image path you can add here in this src, and it will automatically display to the end user. All right, so that's it for now. If you have any doubt related this topic, please comment below, and see you in next session. In our next session I will try to add a dynamic PDF report. All right.